Ever scrolled through Instagram, mesmerized by turquoise waters and exotic landscapes? We all crave adventure, but the price tag often makes us hesitate. What if I told you that experiencing the world doesn't have to drain your bank account? That dream trip you've been pinning? It's closer than you think. Unlocking budget travel is about savvy planning, smart choices, and a dash of adventurous spirit. Many believe budget travel means sacrificing comfort or experiences. This couldn't be further from the truth. It's about prioritizing what matters most to you. Maybe you crave authentic street food over fancy restaurants, or perhaps you'd rather spend on unique activities than a luxurious hotel. Budget travel is about maximizing value without compromising on the experiences that make travel so enriching. Before you pack your bags, let's lay the foundation for your budget-friendly adventure. Start by defining your travel style. Are you a history buff drawn to ancient ruins, or does soaking up the sun on pristine beaches sound more appealing? Next, set a realistic budget and stick to it. Consider this your travel roadmap, guiding your spending and ensuring you don't overspend. Flexibility is key when it comes to affordable travel. Traveling during the shoulder season, just before or after peak season, often means lower prices and fewer crowds. Embrace the art of comparison. Explore different airlines, accommodation options, and tour operators to snag the best deals. Remember, a little research can save you big bucks in the long run. In today's digital age, your smartphone can be your ultimate budget travel companion. Download travel apps like Skyscanner or Google Flights to score the cheapest flights. These handy tools compare prices across multiple airlines, helping you find hidden deals and snag the best fares. Accommodation doesn't have to break the bank either. Apps like Hostelworld and Booking.com offer a wide range of budget-friendly options, from cozy hostels to charming guest houses. For managing your finances on the go, download a currency converter app like XE Currency. This helps you track your spending and avoid any nasty surprises when exchanging money. Section 4. Destination Inspiration, where value meets wanderlust. Now for the fun part, choosing your destination. Southeast Asia is a haven for budget travelers, with countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Laos offering incredible value for money. Explore ancient temples, indulge in delicious street food, and soak up the vibrant culture without breaking the bank. For a taste of Europe on a budget, Eastern Europe is a hidden gem. Countries like Hungary, Czech Republic, and Poland boast stunning architecture, rich history, and affordable prices. From exploring medieval castles to indulging in hearty local cuisine, Eastern Europe offers a captivating and budget-friendly experience. Section 5. Savoring the flavors, budget bites, and culinary delights. One of the best ways to experience a new culture is through its food. Skip the fancy restaurants and embrace the local culinary scene. Street food is not only delicious, but also incredibly affordable. From savory pad thai in Thailand to hearty goulash in Hungary, your taste buds will thank you, and so will your wallet. Look for local markets and grocery stores to stock up on snacks and simple meals. Not only will this save you money, but it's also a great way to interact with locals and discover hidden culinary gems. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Locals are often the best source of information on where to find the tastiest and most affordable eats. Section 6. The art of affordable accommodation. Finding the right accommodation can make or break your budget. Consider staying in hostels, which offer dormitory-style rooms and a chance to connect with fellow travelers. If you prefer more privacy, guest houses and budget hotels are great alternatives. Airbnb is another fantastic option, allowing you to rent apartments or rooms directly from locals. This can be a more affordable and authentic way to experience a destination, especially if you're traveling in a group or planning a longer stay. Remember to book in advance, especially during peak season, to secure the best deals. Section 7. Embrace the journey. Your budget-friendly adventure begins. Traveling on a budget is about embracing the thrill of the unknown, being resourceful, and making the most of every experience. Remember that the most valuable souvenirs are the memories you create, not the things you buy. So pack light, embrace spontaneity, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. The world is waiting to be explored, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. With a bit of planning, a dash of adventure, and these budget travel tips, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your dream trip without breaking the bank. So start dreaming big, pack your bags, and get ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime.